So if you're interested in growing some herbs for your garden, indoors or outdoors, this is a really nice collection of seeds here. The company sent this out to me to try out, and I tried it out, and you can see here I have a nice set of herbs that have sprouted. I did this just 8 days ago, so you can see here I put them in this seed starting tray here. Planted, say 8 different types of herbs. There's like 5 of each. So you can see here, let's see, I did dill, cilantro, rosemary, savory basil, parsley, chives, and borage. And this is just 8 days later. I have them in this seed starting tray here. They germinated really well, so really happy with that. So you can see it came with, I think, 12 different types of herbs. Yeah, but I just did 8 here because that's all I had space for. So I'll try the others later. But you can see they germinated really well, looking really healthy. A few of them need a little more time. But overall, super happy with this and really looking forward to getting them a little larger so I can plant them outside and see them grow up during the summer. So yeah, if you are looking for a really nice collection of herbs that you can plant in your yard, definitely check this out. It's a really nice collection of herbs.